Hey guys, Devi here again, and I would like to welcome you to my channel. This is another crypto investing video about a smart contract called Troncase. And guys, I just want to tell you in this update that Troncase is going to give out refunds. And these guys, they came up with an announcement on their official Telegram channel indicating how they are going to do refunds. So if I'm to bring out that channel, this is the message that they sent. Remember, this information is coming from the official Telegram channel, nothing else. So they are telling us that they would like to thank the community for the patience while they worked out on the details for submitting a help application. So help applications will be open until 12 p.m. On 31st of July 2021. No application will be accepted after that time and date. So once application period is closed, we shall begin the verification process of the wallets and correctness of the calculations provided. So inside the month of July, there will be the first wave of transfers to the wallets. In other words, applications will be closed on 31st of July and payments will be started in the month of July as it is indicated here. So guys, if you open up an application, you just have to wait till July and then you will have to wait for the payments. So thank you for your continued patience while we verify the applications. You will only be eligible to submit an application if your withdrawable balance is less than your total deposited amount. Now guys, this is so important. Just have to pay attention to this. You will only be eligible to submit an application if your withdrawable balance is less than your total deposited amount. Now this one means that you're going to look at your withdrawable balance and you're going to look at your total deposited amount. If your total deposited amount is bigger than the withdrawable balance, that is when you will be able to submit the application. So if you're already in profit, don't just bother submitting an application because it will be rejected. So do not submit any help request through any other links, groups, or channels. The following link is the only official help application link. So if we are to open this, let us try to open it and see. So these are the instructions. You put your name, your email, your country, total TRX deposited, total TRX withdrawn, and TRX requested. uh, Here they say deposited amount minus withdrawn amount. Okay, now this is the difference. Here you're going to put the difference. For example, if here if you deposited 100,000, let me use 10,000 TRX, and then here you withdrew only 5,000, then the TRX requested will be the deposited amount minus the withdrawn amount. So you get this, you subtract this, so the balance will be 5,000 TRX. Then they ask you, did you make a withdrawable that wasn't paid? Now there are some people who tried to withdraw when the contract was empty, when it didn't have money. So if you are one of those, you withdraw, for example, 2000 Tron. Now your wallet shows that you received it and yet you did not receive it. So you click yes if you did that, and then you put your wallet address here. Then they tell you here that upload a screenshot of your Troncase 1.1 personal wallet that looks like a sample below. So this is it. The total deposited and the total withdrawn amount must be fully visible. So they are telling you that you must include the screenshot showing this total deposited and the total withdrawn. So it has to be this one and this one has to be included. And then if you have any other notes, you put it there and then you submit. You accept the terms and conditions and then you submit. So guys, that's how the refunds are gonna be done. And please don't try to withdraw from the old contract, because you know you won't get anything, because the contract is at zero balance and you only lose some Tron to fees. So guys, that's the update for Troncase, and this is Troncase version 2. This one is doing very well. So if you have not yet joined, so far 24 million Tron has been contributed into the contract, and over 10,000 members have so far joined. So if you have not yet joined, I'm gonna leave my link in the description of the channel of the video. Please join this smart contract, because this one is built to last. And yeah, and we shall enjoy the ride. So also guys, I'm also having a Telegram channel here, for specifically for smart contracts. This is called Tron DeFi Battle. It is called Tron DeFi Battle. I opened up this Telegram channel in order to help people in smart contracts, bringing them new programs and old programs, analyzing programs, and so on. So as you can see here, I have this video that is pinned, and it tells you the 6 things to check before investing in a smart contract. So this video is so important. You can as well join this channel only to watch this video. Yeah, so guys, that's it. I'll see you in the next video.